Hello everyone, it's great to have you on our channel. Today we'll be delving into the subject of post-stress disorder, PTSD. It's crucial that we talk about this topic to raise awareness and offer support to those who require it. What is PTSD? To begin with, let's cover the fundamentals. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, is a condition that may arise following exposure to a distressing event. It can impact individuals from backgrounds, including veterans and those who have encountered accidents, natural calamities or acts of violence. However, it's worth noting that manifests in different forms. In this article, we will delve into 10 of these variations using accessible language. 1. Combat-related PTSD. The recognized form of PTSD is associated with combat situations. It impacts veterans who have endured the realities of war. The recollections, flashbacks, and unsettling nightmares can cause distress. 2. Non-combat trauma. Moving on, let's discuss combat trauma. This particular kind of trauma can impact individuals who have experienced a distressing event to war, such as a car crash, physical assault, or natural calamity. 3. Childhood PTSD. Childhood post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, arises from incidents during childhood, such as emotional abuse or neglect. It can significantly impact an individual's well-being and their ability to form and maintain relationships. 4. Complex PTSD. People who experience traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, often go through repeated trauma for an extended period of time, such as ongoing abuse or living in a war-torn area. This can bring about a set of difficulties and hardships. 5. Developmental trauma disorder, DTD. Adverse childhood experiences, especially when they stem from caregivers, are closely associated with developmental trauma disorder, DTD. This condition can have an impact on growth and self-esteem. 6. Secondary traumatic stress. Sure, let's discuss stress. This condition impacts people who are in contact with trauma survivors, such as healthcare providers and therapists. They may indirectly feel the effects of the trauma when working with their patients. 7. Vicarious trauma. Vicarious trauma is similar but typically affects people who hear or read about traumatic events regularly, like journalists or activists. It can lead to emotional exhaustion and changes in their worldview. 8. Delayed onset PTSD. Delayed onset PTSD doesn't emerge immediately after the trauma. Symptoms may surface months or even years later, making it crucial to seek help if you're struggling. 9. Adjustment disorder. Adjustment disorder can occur when someone has difficulty coping with a significant life change or stressor. While it's not the same as classic PTSD, it can still be very distressing. 10. Dissociative PTSD. In order to deal with the trauma, those who have dissociation PTSD may experience a sense of being cut off from their thoughts, feelings, or surroundings. It's a distinct type of PTSD that might be difficult to control. Seeking help and support. PTSD can be effectively managed with the use of therapies, medications, and support groups, among other treatments. A courageous and important first step towards healing is seeking expert assistance. Ending stigma. Let's cooperate to eliminate the stigma associated with mental health. PTSD is a normal reaction to unusual conditions and is not a sign of weakness. We trust that this video has provided some clarity regarding the forms of PTSD and promotes compassion and comprehension. If you or someone you are acquainted with is facing difficulties, please don't hesitate to seek assistance. Keep in mind that there is always optimism for achieving healing and restoration. You are not alone. You're not on your own in this journey. We appreciate you being here today. Please remember to show your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for valuable content. Just keep in mind that the power to overcome PTSD is incredibly strong. Don't hesitate to seek help, find support and build a community. Your personal narrative holds significance. If we come together, we can recover and flourish. Remember, you are never solitary in this journey. Thank you for watching. Be well and be healthy.